Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain Milne's predictor corrector method. This method is a multi-step method and this method based on two formulas. Formula number 1, Milne's formula for the prediction. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn minus 3 plus 4h upon 3 2 times of fn minus fn minus 1 plus 2 times of fn minus 2. Say this is equation 1. Equation 1 is used to predict the value of yn plus 1 when the values of yn, yn minus 1, yn minus 2 and yn minus 3 are given. If it is not given, then compute these values with the help of the Taylor series method, Picard's method or Euler's method. Now, second formula is Simpson's formula for the correction. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn minus 1 plus 4h upon 3 fn plus 1 plus 4 fn plus fn minus 1, and say this is denoted by equation 2. Equation 2 is used to correct the value of yn plus 1 where yn plus 1, yn and yn minus 1 are known. Also, fn plus 1 is equal to f of xn plus 1 comma yn plus 1 is used in equations 1 and 2 for compute the value of yn plus 1. So, I will explain this concept with the help of a numerical problem. So, problem is using Milne's predictor corrector method to find an approximate solution of y2 if yx is the solution of initial value problem dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2x plus y, given that y0 is equal to 2, y 0.5 is equal to 2.636, y1 is equal to 3.595 and y 1.5 is equal to 4.968. So, here explanation of this problem. First of all, we want to compute the value of the yx at x is equal to 2. This is our aim. That is, our aim is to compute y at x is equal to 2. Given that dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon 2. This is equation 1. Compare this equation with dy by dx is equal to f of xy. So, here f of xy is equal to x plus y upon 2. This is the value of the f of xy. Now, here I will generate a table according to the given y values. So, table is, this is x arguments, that is x values corresponding, y values corresponding to x arguments, x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. So, here x0 is 0, x1, x2 and x3. So, x values are 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5 and x4 is 2. x4 is 2 and y values are, when x is 0 then y is equal to 2. This is y0 is 2. Then y1 is 2.636, y2 is 3.595 and y3 is 4.968 and y4 is y of 2. That is, our aim to compute the value of the y4, that is the value of the y at x is equal to 2, that is x4 is equal to 2. So, using the prediction formula 1 means this formula using the prediction formula 1 and here put n is equal to 3, then we obtain the formula y4 is equal to y0 plus 4h upon 3 2 f3 minus f2 plus 2 f1. Say this is equation A. This is equation A. Here according to the given tabular data, so here h is equal to 0.5, that is step size, and f n plus 1 is equal to f of x n plus 1 comma y n plus 1. So f of xy is equal to x plus y upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2 x n plus 1 plus y n plus 1. This is f n plus 1. Now if we put n is equal to 0 here put n is equal to 0, then we obtain f1. f1 is 1 upon 2 x1 plus x2. So here x1 is 0.5 and x2 is x1 plus y1. x1 plus y1. x1 is 0.5 and y1 is 2.636. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 0.5 plus 2.636 and this value is equal to 1.568, correct to 3 decimal places. Now put n is equal to 1, then we obtain f2. f2 is equal to 1 upon 2 x2 plus y2. So x2 is 1, y2 is this, and taking both values here and simplify, this will be, that is f of 2 is equal to 2.298. f3 is equal to 1 upon 2 x3 plus y3. x3 is 1.5, y3 is 4.968 and this value is equal to 3.234. Now substitute the values of y0. y0 is 2, h is equal to 0.5, f1, f2, f3, f1 is this, f2 is this, f3 is this in equation A. So putting the values of h, y0, f1, f2, f3 in equation A, then we obtain y4 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 0.5 upon 3, 2 times of 3.234 minus 2.298 plus 2 times of 1.568 and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then this value is 6.871, correct to 4 decimal places. So this is the value of the y and the value of the y4 is the predict value. So our aim to correct this value, but f4 is equal to 1 upon 2 x4 plus y4, 1 upon 2 x4 is 2 and y4 6.871 and simplify this value is 4.436, correct to 3 decimal places. So now we have corrected this value, that is value of the y4 using the correction formula 2. So Simpson's correction formula 2, this one Simpson correction formula 2. So here put n is equal to 3, then we obtain y4 is equal to y2 plus h upon 3 f4 plus 4 times of f3 plus f2 and say this is equation B. And we have the values of f2, f3, f4, h and y2. So substitute all values here, then this is equal to, that is this value is the corrected value, y4 of c, that is this is the corrected value, y4 of c, or we write here c1, y4 of c1 is equal to 3.595 plus 0.5 upon 3, 4.4 436 value of the F4 plus 4 into value of the F3. F3 is 3.234 plus value of the F2 is 2.98, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then this value is 6.873, and this is value corrected value of Y4, which is denoted by Y4 of C1, that is the first iteration for the correction. Now next is F4 of C1. Compute the value of the F4 of C1. So this is Fx4 comma Y4 of C1. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 x4 plus y4 of C1, and we know that the value of the x4 is 2 and y4 of C is 6.873, and simplify this, then this value is 4.437. So this is the functional value for the after the correction, first correction. Now again using the correction formula, again using the correction formula 2. So we obtain y4 of C2 is equal to y2 plus h upon 3 f4 of corrected value C1 plus 4 times of f3 plus f2. Now substitute all these values. y2 is 3.595, h is 0.5 upon 3, and f4 of C1 is this one, that is 4.437 plus 4 into f3 is 3.234 plus f2 is 2.298, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then we obtain 6.874, correct to 3 decimal places. Now the if we compute the value of the y2 correct to 3 decimal places, so here y4 of C1 is equal to 6.873. This is the first correction in the prediction value of y, and second corrected value is y4 of C2 is equal to 6.874. This is 874 and this is 873, and when the two successive corrected values, that is difference between two successive corrected values, is less than or equal to 1 upon 2 into 10 की power minus number of decimal places. So here we want to compute the value of the y at x is equal to 2 correct to 3 decimal places. So this value is equal to 0.001, and if we compute the difference of y4 C2 and y4 of C1, then we obtain this difference. Hence the value of the y at x is equal to 2 is equal to 6.874, correct to 3 decimal places. So this is the procedure to compute the value of the y at the given value of the x with the help of the Milne's predictor corrector method. Now one question, try yourself using Milne's predictor corrector method to solve the initial value problem dy by dx is equal to minus x y square at x is equal to 0.8. Given that y0 is equal to 2, y0.2 is equal to 1.923, y0.4 is equal to 1.724, y0.6 is equal to 1.471, correct to 3 decimal places. So using the same procedure I told you in the previous question, and compute the value of the y at x is equal to 0.5, and it will be 1.219, correct to 3 decimal places. So this is the procedure for the Milne predictor corrector method. So thank you very much.